Good morning, students of class 6. Today I am going to solve class test. Answer key of class test. First question is just simplify the following using suitable property. See, this one here, property is written direct. You are not going to multiply. Listen, 98 into 147 minus 90 into 98 into 47. See this one, what you will do, 98 you will take common, and now into 147 minus 47. This is called distributive law. What is this called? Distributive law. 98 into 100. 9800 is your answer. It is clear? Understood this property? To now distributive property. Here once we say questions 985 into 99 plus 900. 985 we will take common. Okay, 985. Unknown number is that one is product of every number. One is the product of every number. So into this is also distributive property. 99 and plus 1. What is left? 1 is left. Because 985, so here 99 is there, and plus gives 985 into 1, so 1. What you will write? 985 into 100. Now we will multiply, so answer will come 985. How many 0? Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 98,500. This is your. It is clear? Understood? This is the first question I have done. A class test. Now, second is there. The cost price of one scooter. Second, the cost price of one scooter. That is equal to 55,000. Rupees. Unit by 55,500. Okay. Now, therefore, here you will write since the cost price of one scooter is given rupees 55,500. Therefore, the cost price of how many there? 845 scooter. 845 scooter is equal to what you will write? Rupees 55,500 into 845. Multiply if you will do, what it will come? It will come 46,468,9,7,500. This is your answer. Okay. Units 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh, 10 lakh crore, 4 crore, 68 lakh, 97,500. This is your answer. It is clear? Now, third question is there. In 3 questions, an employee is there. He has spent money 30 rupees on lunch, and for tea he has spent money 10 rupees. So, what he has spent for 25 days? Yes. The cost of lunch. The cost of lunch. 30 rupees. How many days? In one day he spent 30 rupees. So for 25 days, so you will multiply. What it will come? Rupees 700. And the cost of tea. The cost of tea. That is equal to rupees 10 rupees. Rupees 10 and into how many days? 25 days is equal to rupees 200. Now what the question is asking? Calculate the money spent by an employee on this is for 25 days. So calculate. Therefore, the employee total money spent, that is equal to on line 750 and plus rupees 250 is equal to what you will write, rupees 1000. This is your answer. It is clear? Understood now? Now, my dear students, some questions I am going to solve from your exercise 9.2. 9.2 percentage chapter. Exercise 9.2. 9.2. See this one, question number 22. See this one. Question number 22. Actually, the marks of a boy were recorded 756 instead of, तो इनिशियल ओरिजिनल मार्क्स कितना है? ओरिजिनल मार्क्स initial marks that is equal to 765. Okay, and recorded marks that is equal to 756. Difference of marks that is equal to 15 minus 6, 9 cancel. So now the asking, find the original marks, find the percentage of error. Percentage of error that is equal to 9 by 765 and into 100. Please listen. This number is divisible by 20. 5 if we will divide, 20 will come, and 5 if we will divide, what it will come? 5 1 and 3. Now 9 17 times means 20 by 17%. What you will write? 1 3 by 17%. This is your answer. It is clear now? Now one more question I am solving from mixed bag. Mixed bag. Question number 5. See this one. Team A. Name of team. Number of matches. And number of matches on and number of matches played. So see this one, team A, he played 20 matches and on 15 matches. Team B on 18 matches and 25 matches he played. तो whose performance is better? So please listen what you will do, my dear students. Percentage match A on, that is equal to 15 by 20. 20 matches played, so 15 by 20 into 100. What is the right? 75%. And percentage matches B on, so that is 18 by 25 into 18 by 25 into 100, 72%. Whose performance is better? Who perform better? A. Perform better. It is clear. Now, my dear student, we will try to solve more questions. If there you have problem, please ask. I will help you. Thank you.